Hello guys, welcome back to another video. If it's your first time on my YouTube channel, karibu nyumbani. So guys, have you ever thought of buying a refurbished smartphone but ukogopa isikuje ikakudisappoint? Don't worry guys, leo nimeamua let me buy it and we can both see if it's worth it buying a refurbished phone ama you just save some more and buy a good phone. Let's dive into the video.
Critical.
Now guys, this is the package. The packaging is nice, like wamejaribu kuiseal vizuri and see it looks nice. Packaging is okay. Here is the device. She looks new. You can see the way they are packaged. Wameipack vizuri. So guys, are you ready? Mko tayari kuona kama tulicheza ama tumenunua kitu iko sawa? Okay, let's do this. One, two, three. So guys, this is the device. Before you get into the device guys, let's see nini wametupea ndani hapa. So let's see what is inside here guys. You get this charger. It looks good. Charger fitty. You're also getting phones. They're not by looking at them guys, zikai earphone that quality, but they're good. They're good. So this is your charging cable, ama your data cable. It's a micro USB cable. Then they're giving you these things that you stick at the back of your phone. These ones. Phone hii ndio simu sasa. Unakupea pia na case. Wow. Kuna this case. The case looks nice pia. Si mbaya. This is the phone. Alafu imagine umekwekea pia like the screen protector. Nice. So let's power the device. Tuone venye na nini. So it's an Oppo device. And guys, I can see some. I don't know what is this. Like there's something on the screen. But the phone looks nice. But I've noticed kuna kitu, kuna dent, kuna something don't know what happened to the screen, but let me try showing you guys. Like when I was powering up the device, there was something like some light here. I don't know where it has gone. Let me see if I can see it, guys. But apart from that, I think the phone looks nice. It's working amazing. Let's try doing what now? Let's go and see the settings. Let's see the specs of the phone. It's responding very well, guys. Like it's fluent, like iko sawa tu, simfiti. So far I can't complain. Let's look at the specifications of the device. So this is the name of the device. It's a Oppo A37M. That is the model of the device. I love the build number, the color, the Android version. I don't know if I can upgrade the Android version, but I'll try to do it because it's using this one. Nini ya kitambo. Processor yake, you can see it here, guys. That is the processor that the device is using. The RAM, inatumia RAM ya 2GB. Internal storage yake ni 16. That is the read-only memory. It's 16GB. What is this? And those are the other fancy names, guys. So these are the specs of the device. Let's try looking at what the battery. Sorry. It's looking amazing. What? Guys, when I saw something. But let's try looking at the camera. Let's try playing with the camera and see. Let's try putting on the flashlight. Where is the flashlight? Let's see the samples of the pictures that I've taken. Wow, guys. I'm having a top picture fiti, like it's not a waste.
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. If all the things you never show, there are the things I want you to know. Secrets
see it's responding fast. Okay, let's try recording a video. I've not tried recording a video and see if it's going to. Let's see the video. Nice. What else can we try? Let's try connecting. Let's see if it's reading my Wi-Fi connection. Let's connect it to Wi-Fi and see.
It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in the heart so slow. But if you don't want to tell me now, I guess I'll never know. But if you don't want to tell me now, I guess I'll never know.
So guys, like kara sauti unasikia iko sawa. I've got something truly special in store just for you. I'll be taking you on a journey to one of the most breathtaking and serene destination you could ever imagine. The place that I'm talking about is known as Kilimala Woodlands. It's located from Timautown. Before we go there, if you're new to my YouTube channel, so guys, hii siwe natumia line ngapi? Line mbili. Pia unaweza ongezea memory card. Kako sawa guys. So guys, my final verdict about the phone guys, mimi nimeipenda. If you can guys, go and buy